Hey, I'm Anika.
I'm Fadila Abrams.
Hi, my name is Josi and I am 20 years old.
Hi, I'm Milo.
My name is Lesejo and I'm 19.
I'm Kolelwa and I am 19 years old.
Hi, I'm Levi and I'm 19 years old.
I'm Priyanka and I'm 27 years old.
Hello, my name is Busiswa and I'm 20 years old.
I am Natasha and I'm 20 years old.
I'm classified as black and I speak Xhosa at home.
I'm white.
I'm Indian.
I speak Zulu at home.
I would say I'm a Khalid.
I am Mubedi. Yeah.
I am colored.
Black, Tswana.
I am a proud Xhosa black woman.
I speak Afrikaans and English at home.
My family is originally from Pakistan.
My ancestors were from Lithuania.
Oh, generations back. We come from everywhere.
I'm from KwaZulu-Natal, the UK and the Netherlands.
Some of my mom's family from Transkei, so Eastern Cape mostly.
My family is from Mpumalanga.
My family is originally from New Delhi, India.
My family is originally from Rustenburg.
Judaism.
I don't identify as any religion.
I am a Christian.
I attend the Old Apostolic Church, so I'm Old Apostolic.
I'm from the Dutch Reformed Church.
I am a Zionist.
I am Christian.
We're all Hindu and proud.
I'm a Christian.
I am a Muslim.
I am straight.
I'm straight.
I'm straight.
Well,
Gay! I'm gay.
I'm heterosexual.
I am a queer female.
I'm heterosexual.
I'm a lesbian.
I like boys.
It doesn't matter that I'm Muslim or my family is from Pakistan.
Or that my family is originally from India.
It doesn't matter that I'm black or that my family is from Rustenburg.
It doesn't matter that I'm Zulu. Doesn't matter if I'm white or Afrikaans.
It doesn't matter that I'm Jewish.
Or that I'm a Zionist.
Or that I don't like rock music.
Or that I'm black or I'm a Christian.
or that I like Sam Smith.
This is my country.
I share it with others.
Like me,
And me.
And me.
No matter what race,
language,
Or sexual orientation.
There's a place for all of us.
in this beautiful country, this democratic, free country.
this is our country.
This is our country.
This is our country.
Let's believe it.